She's really enjoying that though, huh?
She is. I don't know what to get her for Christmas.
She's like rolling in it.
The tobacco experiment is proven. The fucking cat. What is it you like about this so much?
It's gotta be the wintergreen.
Yeah. What do you think happens if we try to take it away from her?
Think she'll follow it?
I was just
Move it
wondering
in
that.
front of her, see if she tries to, like, reach for it.
Kiss us.
Did she, like, lick it?
I think so.
I don't know.
I don't think so. She just rolled in it.
She's happy. Come on, cat. Oh, shit. Everyone around needs to do something smoky or tobacco related. Michaela, is your sister still coming?
Yeah, I think so. I need to text her.
You did tell her that I'm not driving her home, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Well, did she drive herself?
Well, she